The brightest LED door bulbs on the market. I did a bit of searching around to find these bulbs at around 200 lumens each. On average, the other bulbs were about 100 to 150 lumens or were labeled higher than 200, but actual tests confirmed about 100 to 150 lumens. For these bulbs at 200 lumens, others also state that they are more in the range of 300 lumens each. This upgrade is a must to see at night. As you can see, the upgraded lights are brighter and shine further than OEM bulbs. You need these for extra visibility. Like if you drop your keys at night and you can't find them, these bulbs fix that problem by illuminating the ground all around you. They light up to more than 12 feet from the light bulb to the rear of your 4Runner and more than 15 feet diagonally off to the sides of the door. I measured it, but I ran out of space in my garage. This install is quick and easy. First, you get a screwdriver, the only tool required, and you pop the right side of the lens out on both the driver and the passenger side. Next, you unplug the connection by pressing the small tab, then pull the connector out. As you can see, these differ from the newer 2014 4Runners. The 2010 to 2013 4Runners have a cover that needs to be removed. You just squeeze on both sides and pull up until it becomes loose. Now you have the bulb exposed. The quickest and easiest way to remove the bulb is to get a screwdriver and push it from the inside out. And don't forget to pick up your bulb. Now all you have to do is the reverse. Get your new bulb and install it. Then check your connection by plugging it back in. If it doesn't work, move it around until it turns on. Lastly, put the cover on and press it back into place. And there you have it, how to install the brightest door bulbs on the market. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.